Not gonna lie, the building today looks like
Great.
1,000% better.
Yeah, like fabulous. I love it. Yeah. I mean, it looks pretty whitish, but that's the part that I like right there.
It a little water, a little bleach, a little soap, and a little elbow grease.
Elbow grease.
Yeah, scrubbing it.
Oh yeah.
And it makes the building look just 1,000% better. There's not a lot of organic matter on there anymore. There's no mold. Everything is well dried out, and we're ready to primer and then paint.
Yeah.
I don't know how much we're gonna get done today. We had a little late start because, well, it was like 40 degrees this morning. So
Yeah.
I know the paint that we actually purchased says that you can paint like 35 degrees, but that's just way too cold to paint. That's no fun.
Last night I was like freezing. Mom put some blankets and like put one more blanket on me, and then
Yeah, it was pretty chilly last night, but today is bright and sunny. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's a little breezy, but it's almost perfect conditions to paint. So again, primer and then real paint.
yeah.
Let's get into it. So in the last couple storms, we apparently our truck bed is not as water resilient or water resistant as we thought. All of our painting tarps are absolutely soaked, so just frustrating because you don't really want to paint the concrete, but at the same time it looks like someone else has already done that. So we'll lay out the tarps in the sun and try and dry them off. And by the time we're ready to paint, hopefully they'll be nice and dry.
And they are pre-soaked. I mean, I fell myself, and yeah. So, subscribe. Please have a good day. Don't get any tarps wet. Subscribe.
Good job, buddy. Hopefully we can get these things dried before we actually have to paint. Rookie move. I just absolutely forget how difficult it is to paint stuff. Oh my God, it's a pain in the ass. All right, I think we've got almost the whole building primered, which is great. As you can see, we used two different types of primer. We had one can of gray primer, and then we have cans of white primer. I'm really hoping it's not gonna matter. If it does, we're gonna have to put multiple coats on, which would suck. But I think it's covering pretty well.
And I noticed that primer is spray paint that I used before. So yeah.
Yeah, we thought spray paint primer would probably be the simplest and it would dry the fastest, but in all honesty, I have no idea. It probably would have been the same. It would probably have been as fast if I'd have just gotten like a gallon of primer, but
What the word we're looking for, Dad.
And it probably would have been cheaper, but oh well. I only thought 1 can was going to be enough, and we ended up needing about 5 cans for a 2,400 square foot building. Alright, so I wanted to show you what kind of paint we're going to be using in case you need to paint a metal building. Kind of follow the same steps we did, and you're going to see the before and after, and it's either going to work or not work. So this might be a good video if you're trying to paint something. A metal building or a metal storage facility.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it should be good.
Alright, so this is the paint. It's the Valspar Storm Coat. It covers about 450 square feet. We got it in satin white because we want the building to be white. So it's you can brush it on, you can roll it on, you can even use a sprayer. It's a bit windy, and I don't have a paint sprayer, so I didn't want to rent one. I didn't want to buy one, and the reason behind that is because if I bought one, I would want to buy like a quality one, and that would have cost $500, $600, $700. Where an inexpensive Amazon type sprayer, I just, every review I've read, they're just not really good. So it's something that we're just gonna roll the paint on. Got all our rollers.
Yep.
We'll start painting.
Like 1,000.
Yeah.
We actually do. And we have 1,000 roller sticks. Well, paint stir sticks. Sorry.
Well, sometimes these things happen where we're just gonna have to paint it twice.
Yeah.
One coat might not be enough. We'll paint the whole building.
I mean, we can always wait for a little bit until it stops raining and then do a different day.
Well, it's not raining today, so we're gonna paint it today. Yeah, so we'll see. All right, we just sitting down for dinner. Caitlin went out and got pizza because, well, this painting is taking forever. Like forever, and we're gonna have to apply a couple coats to the building itself, but we only need to put 1 coat on the actual doors, which we should be able to hammer out all the doors tomorrow. I'm going to work into the night painting, because this paint can actually paint down to 40 degrees. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and apply as much as I can until probably midnight, until someone tells me I can't, and go from there. So let's dive into some pizza.